Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn from Jessica Lynn Original Studios, and today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite Disney World hotels. It's the Riviera. Absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to go ahead and share some amazing, beautiful footage. This was taken after we had breakfast with Mickey and Minnie, Donald and Daisy at the top of the Riviera. And there is a beautiful balcony that you can go out on. And this is the view. Absolutely stunning. I think it would be so fun to go on like a nice romantic date there and then hang out up at the top of the Riviera to kind of watch things go by at night. But during the day, it is so fun to just sort of watch the hustle and bustle of all of the Disney transportation, you getting you to and from your hotels, to Hollywood Studios or to Epcot. It's so beautiful to be able to see so many different rides on the horizon, like Tower of Terror. In a little bit, you'll be able to also see there's part of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. You may be able to see some additional places once we get to the view to the left. So enjoy this amazing view from the top of the Riviera. It's just so relaxing to watch the Skyliner kind of come and go over the lake. And there you can see Caribbean Beach just waking up for the morning. And if you look at Caribbean Beach and you've never been there before, off to the left is their main area where all their food and their buses are. There's like a little plant-filled island that's actually a bridge and a playground for the kids that connects everything off to the right-hand side. Beautiful, beautiful hotel. We were very happy. We did this trip at the end of last year and just gorgeous. You can see if you look straight down here at the Riviera, there's some putting greens so you can go and practice. There's a fire pit. There's that little island I was just talking about. You can see people on the bridge walking over. And straight down from where we are, there are two pools. There's the bocce ball as well as some other games of chess and stuff like that. Two restaurants as well as another pool with a full slide for the kids. That's a zero entry pool right there, and there's that really fun pool slide for the kids. I think that I might even have to set this up as like a wallpaper for my computer where it goes through all of the video that I just shared with you, because it is just so fun to be able to see so far out and to be able to see, you know, the Skyliners, which if you've never tried them, when I first saw them I was not very sure of them, but they're a blast. This is that beautiful area that you could come and hang out and have a couple of drinks after you're done eating breakfast or dinner at the top of the Riviera. I highly encourage that you come and eat here. Take a look at this hotel. It's so beautiful. We are getting ready to launch a whole bunch of new videos. I've taken a little bit of time to kind of reflect and go through my stock, so please be sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, and then go visit my website, JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Take care, everybody. See you again real soon.